Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You should know up front, I won't help you evade Discord's phone checks. Once said, let's focus on lawful alternatives. Open Discord, go to user settings, and look for the phone verification prompt so you know exactly what's requested. Make sure your email is verified next. That often reduces friction. If you control a legitimate phone number, keep it handy for verification. You're doing this to secure your account, not to bypass protections designed to keep servers safe, so proceed responsibly. Once you've verified email, make sure to enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. This strengthens your account and can reduce certain verification prompts. If a particular server requires phone verification, ask the server moderators about alternate, approved ways to join. Some servers accept verified roles or moderator approvals. Make sure to follow Discord's terms of service and community guidelines while pursuing these paths. Doing things the official way protects your account from suspensions and gives you recourse if issues arise. If verification fails or you believe it's being requested in error, submit a support ticket to Discord and explain the situation calmly. Include screenshots and any relevant details. Once done, check your email's spam and promotions folders for replies, and be patient. Support can take time. Make sure you do not use third-party services or paid workarounds that promise to remove verification, because those can compromise your account and break rules. If support asks for steps to reproduce the issue, cooperate fully to get a legitimate resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.